Namaste everyone. I wish a happy Constitution Day. Today, that is 26th November, is observed as the Constitution Day in India every year. The Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas because the Constitution came into effect on 26th of November in 1950. Our Indian Constitution is the largest constitution in the world. May I now request the principal of the school, Sri Judge Matthew, to deliver the message of the day.
Namaste everybody. Today we celebrate the Constitution Day of India. I wish you all a very happy Constitution Day. Yes, indeed, we are all happy to celebrate this day. The Constitution is the most important document for us Indians as citizens of Indians. Our Constitution sets out our fundamental rights and our duties as citizens. It declares India a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic republic. Constitution Day is celebrated on November 26 to commemorate the adaptation of the Constitution of India. Constitution Day of India aims at bringing awareness about the importance of the Indian Constitution and its architect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The declaration regarding the celebration of this day was made by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi in 2015. The Indian Constitution has stood the test of time as India has been a successful democracy. Dear children, you are the future citizens of India. The future of India is in your hands. I wish you become a beacon of light to shine forth the glory of India, the glory of our Constitution before the whole world. God bless you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your informative speech. May I now invite Mr. Peter, the HOD of History and Civics, to deliver a speech on the significance of the day.
Namaste children. Today we are celebrating the Constitution Day. Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November every year. The Constitution of India is also called as Bharatiya Samvidhana. It is a supreme law of the country. It lays down the fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers and duties of government institutions. It set out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of the citizen. It is the longest written constitution of any country on earth. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is considered as the chief architect of our constitution. How the Constitution of India was drafted? The Constitution of India was drafted by the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly was elected by the elected members of provincial assemblies. There were 389 members in the Constituent Assembly. Now, let us see the timeline of drafting of Indian Constitution. On 6th December 1946, Constituent Assembly was formed. On 9th December 1946, its first session was held. And Sachidanand Sinha became the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly. On 11th December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the permanent president of Constituent Assembly. 13th December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru moved or presented his objective resolution. And 22nd January 1947, objective resolution unanimously adopted. And we know the most of the content in the preamble of the Constitution includes the objective resolutions. August 15, 1947, we got independence. On 29th August 1947, Constituent Assembly appointed the drafting committee headed by B.R. Ambedkar. In October 1947, B.N. Rao, who was the legal advisor, he submitted the draft of the Constitution. So we can understand that B.N. Rao was the first person who submitted the draft of the Constitution before the drafting committee. The drafting committee headed by B.R. Ambedkar scrutinized, debated, discussed and amended the draft, and finally this draft was included 395 articles and 8 schedules, and the final draft was given approval by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. The Constitution of India was adopted, enacted or passed, and therefore we are celebrating 26 November as Constitution Day. I wish you a happy Constitution Day.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with the significance of the day. request the principal of the school, Shri Judge Matthew, to administer the oath of preamble to the staff of the school.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation.